Hello, hello. I recently got a new phone and was trying to print out a cover for my new phone, and it just barely fit within the constraints of my machine's capacity, or my 3D printer's capacity. But I noticed when I put it into Cura, the save option was gone, and I believe it's doing that because it thinks it's technically not big enough to print, even though I know this entire design fits on the plate of my given 3D printer. The workaround that I found to get this to work for me was I went up to machine settings, and then I make believe that I have enough room, so I just arbitrarily pick a number that's bigger than what's in there in the dimension that's causing the issue. So in this case it's width, and I switched it from 150 to 155, and when I hit OK, it's going to go through a little update here, and you should get your save button back. And there you have it. Once you get the save button, you can just as easily go back into machine settings and go back to 150, which is what I did, just to make sure that the print itself didn't have any issues, or it didn't try to go beyond the bounds of my given plate. But the save button does not go away when you turn the machine settings back to the size that it should have been. So that was the workaround I found to get my save button back. Hopefully this works for you. Thanks a lot for watching.